Hello, we are now going to start a new session number 15, format a table. And the previous session we have discussed to create a table in a word processing. Now the session number 15, format a table. Okay, format a table, that means if we want to apply some formatting and some appearance and some design of a table, we'll use a format a table option. Okay, suppose that you have already created a table in a word processing software, and then you can improve the appearance of a table and make it more presentable and attractive. Okay, and you have a table, and after that if you want that table more attractive, more impressive, then we will apply format option, and using the format option we can show our table in a attractive format. Okay, so suppose that we have a one example, we have a one table, and this is a serial number, teacher's name and subject details. So if we want to make the table in a word processing software, and after that we want to apply format on it, so let's see how we'll do this. Let's come on the system and do the practical. Yeah, already we have entered in the word processing software, and now we have created a one table, that is a teacher's detail, right? We have a one serial number, and already we have done the teacher's name and subjects. Now we are going to apply format option. So first of all we select the table, and you can see on the design tab bar you can see a table tool option. In the table tool you have a two tab. The first is a design tab and the second is a layout. So we'll click on the design tab. In the design tab we have a table style group. In the table style group there are a number of format styles. By default the plain tables here selected, and after that if we want to apply any format we can apply on it. Example like this, we want to apply it light. Now see here, in the table the border has been changed in a different color. Now again I want to apply new format style on it. Again select the table and go on design tab, and now you can see number of format styles are available. If you want to apply another format style, click on that. Now you can see in the word processing package your table has formatted, and you can click anywhere in the document. So this is the process to format your table in a word processing package. Or after that if you want to unformat, or if you want to click on normal table, you can click a plain table. This is one way to apply the format on the table. And now you have a second method also. If you want to fill a different color in different columns, select any one, select any single column. You have a design tab and click on the shading option. There are a number of colors available, you can choose any one. Now you can use a second column, select the column number 2, again click on the shading option, you can set a different color. Next, column number 3, again you can apply a next color. And after that if you want to format the text, so it's very simple. Select the table, go on the home tab, and you can apply the font color option. So this is another way. Using this method also we can apply we can format the table in a word processing. Now we have a next topic is, after completing this session we have a next option, convert text. Session number 16, convert text to table and table to text. In this session, there is a feature to convert a normal text data into a table. Okay, so if you want to convert that table in a text or text in a table, so this is very useful, and using the feature we can convert our table into a text or table into a text. How we can do this? It's very simple. First of all, we create a one table in a word processing in a document. After that we have a one dialog that is a convert text to a table. Okay, so using the convert to a text table, we can convert our text to a table, and after that we can convert table to a text. Okay, now see the practical topic. Now you can see here convert table to a text. You have a dialog box, and after that you can see here paragraph marks, table tabs and commas and other symbols. So using these options we can convert a table to a text. How we can do this? Now see on the practical. We have session number 16, convert text to a table and table to a text. So now we have a one table already we have created, and after that we want to convert this table to as a text. So first of all we'll select the table and click on the layout tab, and in the layout tab we have a one data group. In the data group we have a option that is convert to text. We'll click on that option. Now we can see one dialog box on the computer screen, that is a convert table to a text. Okay, so in that dialog box we have a four options. The first is separate text with commas, paragraph marks, tabs, commas and other symbols. Suppose that we want to apply a paragraph marks, so we'll select this radio button and we'll click on the OK button. Now we can see the table in the document. Our table has changed, has converted into the paragraph marks. Okay, now we want to apply the second method. Again select the table, go the layout option, layout tab, again we'll click on the convert to text option. Now the second option is tab. We'll select tab ready button, and after that we'll click on the OK button. Now you can see that table is a changed and displaying with the tabs also. So this is also the second method to use to convert table as a text. Now we are going to start, or we are going to do the next option. Select the table and go to the layout tab, that is a convert to text. Now the third option is a commas. We'll select the commas option and click on OK button. Now you can see that table has been removed, border has been removed, and the text commas data or commas values is displaying with the comma symbol. There is serial number, comma, teacher name, comma, subject. Now the second is serial number 1, comma, Girish Rawat, comma, mathematics. Number 2, Mr. Nitin Kumar, comma, maths. 3, Mr. Santosh Kumar, comma, computer science. So you can see your table has been converted with a comma symbol. Now come back, and again we are going to solve that last option is a, that is other. That other means if we want to apply or if you want to use another symbol, right? Suppose that I want to use that forward slash. Type in a text and you can click on the OK button. Now again we can see our table border has been removed, and now our data is displaying with a forward slash. This is the first column, that is serial number forward slash, then teacher's name, the forward slash, then subject. That means column is separated with a forward slash. And now the second is roll number, serial number 1 Mr. J. Rawat, then forward slash, then mathematics. Now the third one is 2 forward slash Nitin Kumar forward slash, then name maths. Third forward slash teacher's name forward slash, then subject. And 4, 5, 6 addresses you can see in place of the border you can see there is a forward slash. That means that table we have the converted into the text. Okay, so this is a method to convert your table, convert text to table and the table to text. Okay, that's it.